Birmingham. Oh, that's only 2 hours away.
Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad.
Nice. Are you near Trussville or Mountain Brook or something?
So I live just south of Mountain Brook.
Okay.
So I live in like Shelby County, like unincorporated Shelby County. But if you know Birmingham, it's I'm 10 minutes away from Mountain Brook.
Yeah, I would either live in Trussville or
Okay.
Mountain Brook. Either one of those. Those are nice areas.
Yeah, they are.
Um,
There's a bunch of the girls on a couple of girls on my daughter's team are from Mountain Brook. The ones from Trussville.
oh, so they're in the volleyball tournament.
Oh yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is why I don't think they're not going to handle the soccer, the World Cup here, because there's already 3 events, and this is like it's going to be off the chain when that crap comes here.
The only town that might be worse is Houston, because Houston's got just as many, if not more, people, and it's more spread out. So everybody drives. Nobody in the city of Houston takes public transport.
Gotcha.
And so here, at least, you have MARTA that can like supplement and can help.
Right.
But it's amazing in a city like Houston, nobody uses it.
Let me see which way they're coming. This is too early for this crap. And you're just visiting seeing this.
Yeah.
Like, this is not normal to have it this early. I'm like, what the frick could be happening here, though?
Who knows?
Now this person's trying to turn. It's like, are y'all stupid though?
Yes.
Like, just some people you can't turn this way. Yo. Like,
Yes, they're stupid.
okay, just go, man. You're not even. I'm not.